This is a Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera kit with 2 lenses. Here is the DSLR. The design is compact. The length is about 5 inches. The material feels solid, and this is very well constructed. The grip feels great too. This is the magnify button, AE lock, movie shooting button, exposure compensation button, display button, quick control, cross keys and multi-buttons, access, and Wi-Fi indicators, playback, and menu button. Here is the optical viewfinder, an LCD monitor. This is not a flip-out screen. Comes with a battery, charger, instruction manual, strap, and a spacious camera bag. The kit also includes 2 zoom lenses. The focal length for this one is 18 to 55 mm. And here is another zoom lens. The focal length is 70 to 300 mm. Let's make this ready for a few demo shots. Let's attach the 18 to 55 zoom lens. This has dual pixel autofocus with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor. Loaded with features such as built-in Wi-Fi, NFC technology, and Digic 4 Plus image processor, this is a great camera for travel and everyday use. Highly recommended.